guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about top sexy perfumes to wear for this Valentine's Day. In my previous video that I did, which was my top romantic fragrances for Valentine's Day, I promised that I would do a sexy one. So some of you may be feeling romantic and some of you may be feeling sexy. So this way you have suggestions for both. And drop a comment below letting me know which one you are, romantic or sexy, for this coming Valentine's Day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and activate the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So you want to smell sexy this Valentine's Day? And keep watching. The first sexy fragrance I have is Good Girl or Gier by Carolina Herrera. This should be called Sexy Girl, Bad Girl, anything but Good Girl, because she's not good. This is definitely not your romantic fragrance. This bottle speaks for the juice inside it. And so freaking sexy. This has notes of dulce de leche. There's praline, there's tonka bean, cinnamon, musk, amber, and patchouli. It's all these very sensual type of notes that come together and form this seductive, sensual fragrance. This is truly sexy. You will seduce your partner wearing this and you will have a sexy time. The next sexy fragrance I have here is the Tom Ford Noir Parfum. This smells like a sexy boss woman. This smells like a very rich, a very expensively dressed woman out in the town, smelling darn sexy. This has delicious notes of kulfi, which is an Indian dessert. There's also ginger, there's rose, jasmine, vanilla, amber. This scent is very potent. It's very bold. It's smoky, and it smells like pure seduction, pure sexiness. Vixen. This is perfect for smelling sexy on Valentine's Day. And the next fragrance I have is La Nuit Trésor à la Folie by Lancôme. This one is a sex bomb. This is sex in a bottle. It's a fruity floral. There's bourbon vanilla giving it a slightly boozy feel. There's also tonka bean and nutmeg, so it has that gourmand aspect. And I think that wearing this will give you such a sex bomb vibe. You'll have that aura around you, and this smells so good. Checks all the boxes for sexy fragrance. This is a good one, guys. This next sexy fragrance is The Chronic by Byron. And this fragrance is the mysterious one where the notes just don't add up to the scent. I know they're in there, but they're blended to such perfection. This is cinnamon, this is pepper, it's leather, amber, patchouli, all the sexy notes. And the beauty of it is you don't detect the leather. At least I don't detect the leather because I can't wear leather, but it smells so darn sexy. It's sexy AF. And this smells like a beautiful, sexy woman dressed up, walking around with her head held high. It's a complex scent because of all those notes that don't translate exactly into what this is like. And this is just addictive and sexy. What a combination. Like, what a combination. You guys, get your nose on this. This is amazing. This is one to try for sure. Chronic by Byron Perfumes. The next one I have here is Montal's Sensual Instinct. You guys, this is coffee, this is rose, this is Baccarat Rouge 540, this is pretty much Intense Cafe with Baccarat Rouge 540. It smells very sexy. It's deep, it's dark, it's mysterious. This is really the epitome of sensual and sexy. You'll be smelling like a vixen. This one just gives me all kinds of sexy vibes. The next sexy fragrance I'll be talking about is Angel Share by Kilian. And this fragrance made the sexy list because it is. It has the cognac. Booze in the fragrance always gives it that touch of sexiness, sensuality. So this has cognac, this has cinnamon, there's praline, vanilla, sandalwood. It's a gourmand. It's intoxicating. It's sensual. It's boozy and sexy. That's all I have to say. So if your night is filled with drinking something with your boo and smelling delicious, this is a fragrance to rock on Valentine's Day. I love this. The next fragrance I have here is Magnificat by Vicanto, which is a line of Tiziana Terenzi fragrances, if some of you didn't know. This one is so sexy. This has notes of amber, of rose, of cotton candy. There's sandalwood, there's incense, which gives it a sexy smokiness. There's vanilla. It smells slightly boozy, especially in the opening. You get hit with like this boozy note, and it's just seductive. It's mysterious, it's dark, it's interesting, it's deep. You will for sure smell like a femme fatale. This is a bad girl fragrance. This is really one that you might want to rock this Valentine's Day. Oh, it smells so good. I absolutely love this. And guys, who would I even be if I didn't talk about My Baby, Poison Girl by Christian Dior. This is a tried and true sexy fragrance. I love this. I never get tired of it. This has been in my collection longer than any of the other mentioned ones. I am not growing tired of this. I still stand by it. I still think it's so sexy. This is a delicious balsamic vanilla. It's deep, it's sensual, there's rose in here, just so intoxicating. There's also almond. Oh my God. This fragrance is very playful. It's very flirty. It's very sexy, very youthful. And it's sexy in a playful way, not like a serious sexy. It's not like the femme fatale that Aristocat would give you, or the femme fatale that Tom Ford's Noir will give you. This is more like a playful sex kitten, meow, type of vibe. Here I am making cat noises, like what am I? Who do I think I am right now? Okay. Come to mama. I love this scent, and this is a very like come hither scent. Come smell me. I mean, your boo is gonna enjoy this. They're gonna be happy with this choice for sure. I'll tell you guys which scent I will be rocking this Valentine's Day. I already picked it. This is the Chronic by Byron Perfumes. This is one of the newer additions to my collection. I have been so obsessed with this, like I have not been able to put it down. I'm forcing myself to put it down sometimes because I want to give my other fragrances a chance. I want to wear my other fragrances. And this just beckons to me, like it calls to me. It's like, put me on, put me on. And I can't resist you. I can't freaking resist you. Like, this is my baby right now. My husband also loves this. We're both pretty much obsessed with it. I mean, he loves it on me. So this is gonna be the one I'll be rocking this Valentine's Day. So that completes my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below which scents are gonna be your sexy Valentine's Day scents. Are you team sexy or team romantic? Which type of fragrance will you be wearing this Valentine's Day? I'd love to hear from you, and I hope to see you back here soon. Take care.